Friends of knowledge and exploration, welcome. The use of motorcycles is a popular means of transportation in Vietnam, especially in large cities. This mode of transportation provides mobility and convenience in dense urban conditions and for long distances. Constant motorcycle riding has a significant impact on footwear, as feet are used to balance and lightly brake. This causes rapid wear and tear on the soles and the upper part of the footwear. That's why in Vietnam, street workshops for footwear repair play an important role in everyday life. However, these street workshops also represent a unique aspect of Vietnamese culture and traditions. They not only provide footwear repair services but also serve as places for social interaction and exchange. Historically, street workshops for footwear repair emerged in Vietnam in response to the needs of ordinary people. Vietnam has a long history of craftsmanship, and footwear repair has always been an integral part of this tradition. Street workshops for footwear repair also reflect the Vietnamese understanding of resourcefulness and sustainability. In Vietnam, it is considered important to use items to their fullest extent and avoid excessive disposal. Therefore, footwear repair has become an important part of the sustainable lifestyle in the country. These street workshops are often places where residents can meet, chat, and exchange news. These places foster social interactions. Furthermore, footwear repair in street workshops is usually affordable, making it a convenient choice for most Vietnamese. So, street workshops for footwear repair in Vietnam are not only places for repair but also an important aspect of culture and traditions. They represent a unique blend of skills, history, and social interaction that continues to thrive in modern Vietnam. I hope that this video has been interesting for you.